the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello students, a warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir Junior College. Students, I hope you all are safe and in good health. Today we are going to study EVS 2 lesson number 4. Students, in the previous lesson, Life of Earth, we studied about the animals. In this lesson, we are going to study in detail about the animals, how animals or living beings were totally different when they really exist on Earth. After many years, because of environment, there was a change in animal, and that change is called evolution. So today's topic of our lesson is evolution. It means gradual and continuous change. Gradual means slowly, and continuously we are changing the appearance of the human being, or you can say the animals also. Evolution is a process of survival by adapting to the environmental changes. Certain internal changes occur in some animal or species. Species is different types. Now you must be thinking, who told us this all? But there was a scientist named Charles Darwin. He gave a systematic explanation on the concept of evolution. Now children, you understood the definition of evolution. There is a wide variety of species, as I mentioned in the previous slide. The species mean different types of this animal world. Evolution of each species takes places differently. So let's learn about the stages of evolution in the next slide. Now there are different kind of stages of evolution. The first stage is invertebrates. Now what is invertebrates? I am telling you that also. Animals without a backbone and a bony structures are called invertebrates. There are examples given: snail, jellyfish, starfish, and there are some examples given on the slides also. Like example, flatworm, sponge, spider, shrimp. The second stage is vertebrate. Animals with a backbone and a bony structure are called vertebrates, and some types of vertebrate animals are. And in vertebrate we got many types, children. One type I will explain to you. First is aquatic animals. Animals that live in water, and you must be always knowing example fish, and there are more aquatic animals also. Amphibians, animals that live in land as well as in water. Example, frog. The third example is reptile, animals which have special skin made up of scales. These animals mainly crawl. Example, snake, and there are so many other examples like lizard, etc. And the fourth stage is mammals, which is again very important and most intelligent animals among the vertebrates. These animals give birth directly to the young ones. Example, humans, apes, cats, dogs. The fifth example is apes, which is again very important. Apes have somewhat human-like appearance. They mostly live on trees. These apes were found many years before, children, or you can say our old ancestors, like which we find many years before. Some of these species gradually evolved in time and gave rise to the human species. This happened first in African continent. And the first human species are called primitive man. So students, you understood this lesson very clearly. Now there is a small exercise. Question number 1, fill in the blank. The first systematic explanation on the theory of evolution was given by Dash. The answer is Charles Darwin. Second, fill in the blank. Dash are the most evolved animals among the vertebrates. The answer is mammals. Question number 2. Answer in one sentence. What do we call animals which live in water and also on land? The answer is amphibians. Question number 2. Where did the first human appear? The first human appeared in African continent. So students, keep learning something new. Thank you.